everyone, it's Erin here at Sherwood Hyundai. Today I'm going to take you for a walk around this 2017 Kia Sportage LX. This four-door all-wheel drive SUV comes with projection-style headlights and fog lights. Under the hood is a 2.4-liter engine and an automatic transmission. This SUV comes on a set of Hancock tires on 17-inch rims. This Sportage comes with a flip key fob. You can lock and unlock the vehicle, open the trunk, and there is a panic button. Alright, so having a look at the driver's side door panel, you see that it does have power windows, locks, and mirrors. We have some storage here in the door. Beautiful black cloth seating throughout the interior with some white accent stitching. Alright, so we are now inside. Let's start her up. Okay, so as I mentioned, this is a 2017 with 49,957 kilometers on it. Having a look at the steering wheel, we have volume control, mute, mode, hands-free Bluetooth, cruise control, dashboard controls right here. Over here we have traction control that you can turn off if you so choose. Having a look here, don't mind my reflection, at the center entertainment console we have a CD player, we have radio, media, phone hooked up via Bluetooth, we have clock scan setup, we have 6 presets. This is Sirius XM compatible. Going down here we have the heating and cooling part of the vehicle. We have the speed, the temperature, and where it hits you on your body. We have heated front cloth seats for you and your passenger. We have two 12-volt outlets, an auxiliary jack, and a USB. As I mentioned, it is an automatic transmission vehicle. We have drive mode, overdrive, and wheel lock. 2 lovely cup holders, some storage, center armrest, also doubles as storage. Going up here we have, we're going to focus that, there. We have 2 push interior lights, and we have a sunglasses holder for you as well. One more thing I forgot to mention right here, we do have a handy backup camera for you to use as well. Alright, so here is the back seat of the Kia Sportage. We have power windows for your backseat passengers. We have lovely document/map holders. We have a 12-volt outlet right there. Very spacious back seat. Black cloth seating back here as well with the white accent stitching. We have the lovely center raised armrest with 2 cup holders. So right down here is a lever. We're going to pull up on that. And as you can see, the seat folds down nice and easy. 60-40 split, giving you different configurations that you may need to use. Alright, just coming around to the back of this Kia Sportage, we're going to reach underneath here, just below the emblem, push and pull. Very spacious back cargo area. Lots of room here. You can fold down all of the seats if you choose, giving you a little bit more room. So we have a tire mobility kit, and then we have some storage in here. Alright, just finishing up the vehicle walk around on this 2017 Kia Sportage LX, all-wheel drive SUV. Able to handle whatever roads Canada may throw at you. Located here at Sherwood Hyundai. Come on down, take it for a test drive. If you have any other questions about this SUV, please ask one of our sales associates and they'll be happy to answer them for you. Hope to see you soon.